Your fridge could be turning these fruits toxic. Here's the deadly list you must know. Bananas. Cold turns them black and destroys nutrients. Tomatoes. Fridge makes them mealy and flavorless. Potatoes. Cold converts starch to sugar, cancer risk. Garlic. Promotes mold growth and humidity. Melons. Uncut equals lose 50% antioxidants in fridge. Refrigerated potatoes develop solanine, a poison causing nausea and hallucinations. You can store these in a cool, dark place instead. Did you know this? Share to save a life.